Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Elin game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, now simply open it. Here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on this option of login, then just sign into account guys. If you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam guys. This is very simple and easy. Just scroll down in this page. You will see the option of create an account. Just create account on Steam. After that, you need to download the Steam and install it on your PC. Just click on the option of install Steam you are seeing on the top. Then just click on the option of install Steam and download the Steam and install it on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log out your account, then click on the top set box and just type here the game name, which is the Elin game. Now, Elin game appeared on the top, so simply open up this Elin game. Now, once you open up this game, now here in this page just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart, so you can simply pay the amount and download the game easily. Just click on the option of add to cart, then click on the option of view my cart, then just click on the option of continue to payment. Now here just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have guys. This is very simple and easy. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to Steam library. Just go to the library of Steam and on the left hand side just find this Elin game. Click on this Elin game and then just click on the start. And this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.